Good afternoon, gentlemen. Me and my friend Tarani Murugan have come up with an idea of developing a software named Tree Maker. You might be wondering what is this software is all about. In the current generation, people are progressing toward a more developed and more modernized world. We are striving to reach the ultimate development the humankind have ever reached. But as time goes on, we tend to forget one of our basic needs, which is oxygen. Trees are mostly known as the main source of oxygen for us. But during this time, people are having difficulties of growing a tree on their own. This is why we are coming up with an idea of an app called Tree Maker, which helps people to virtually grow their tree. Our main aim would be to give our maximum level contribution to make the world go greener and also to help people who have the same aim as us. Basically, we will develop an app where people can come and register themselves and buy the seeds based on their affordability and also their interest. There will be different types of seeds projected in the app to let the customers choose between and buy. Once they have bought the seeds, they will be given a token number and also the daily progress report on the tree that we are growing on behalf of them. Once the trees or the plants are ready to give fruits or flower, our customers will receive a special notification on collecting what they should receive. By this way, customers can be really up to date on the progress of the growth of the tree or plant that they have bought and they wish to grow. Once the customers has bought the seeds, they will be given several choices of subscription on how the tree will be grown. The choices will be based on how the tree will be grown, how much of nutrient will be supplied, and so on. By this way, customers can choose their subscription based on their affordability. So they are basically growing their own tree based on their affordability.
Good evening. The question is, who are going to grow the trees? This is where our very own gardeners and farmers are going to help. We will be hiring them to grow the seeds the customers buy through our app. Lately, farmers and gardeners have lost their recognition among people around the world. During this pandemic, they have been hit so hard that they are forced to search for a different job. We, as helping hands, are going to give them the job they love. Each person will be assigned to grow trees or plants that customers buy. The money that we get from customers' subscription would be the salary for our farmers. As for our budget for this project would be around Ringgit Malaysia 1 million. The model will be used to buy the equipments for farming and also for the land we are going to buy or take for lease. An acre of land would cost us around Ringgit Malaysia 5,000 to 8,000. We will be buying or take lease around 100 acres for initial purpose. If you have any question about how are we going to get profit, a certain amount of commission would be dealt to both of customers and farmers. This is how all parties are going to gain what they want. The more the customers and workers we gain, the more the beneficial our app will be. The more seeds we sell, the more greener our world goes. This app would be a revolution in this modernized world. Thank you.